Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog. Today is a very special day for our family dahil graduation day ng aming panganay na anak. First of all, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Lord dahil sobrang blessed namin this year. Dahil pagkatapos ng honor award ng youngest namin, tapos eto naman ngayon ang eldest namin graduate with honor din. Grabe! Lord, thank you for guiding them, giving them strength and wisdom sa kanilang studies. You made everything possible. We bring back all the glory to you. Siyempre, a huge shout out to my wife, Mommy Jen, for being the best guide and mentor in their studies. Teamwork makes the dream works. As a proud parents, sobrang saya ng puso namin. To my daughters, we are so proud of you. Keep dreaming, keep working hard, and always stay humble. This is just the beginning. At syempre, after ng ceremony, it's time to celebrate! Yay! Kaya pumunta kami sa Arbab Kebab sa Dakila, Malolos. Yay! Malapit lang siya sa Daman Hospital, kaya super convenient puntahan. Guys, ang sarap ng food nila. If you love kebab and Middle Eastern food, this place is a must try. Juicy yung meat, flavorful, and sulit sa presyo. Alam nyo guys, hindi lang food ang panalo. Super friendly and accommodating ang staff nila. They made our celebration even more special with their warm service. Perfect place talaga for family celebration like this. So ayun guys, thank you so much for celebrating with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more family moments and food trips. See you on our next vlog. Bye! Tara, Arya!
Tara Arya, the Babustan Fam. Kain, biyahe, musika, yan ang aming jam. Pamilya'y buo, sasayay, sabay-sabay. Halina't sumama sa trip na walang kapantay. Salamat sa Diyos, kami laging may gabay. Dagat, bundok at langsod, kami laging game. Valag na puno ng kulay, sa puso'y graving name. Litrato